Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks for You. Today in this video, I will show you how you can make $10 again and again. You don't need any skills, any practical experience. Anyone can do this from anywhere around the world. And watch this video till end and don't miss any step. If you miss any step, then you miss some points. So I just want to say that. So before start the video, I invite you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive daily new interesting videos from my channel. And at the end, if you like this video, then hit on like button and share this video with your friends. So let's get started. Today I'm gonna talk about userfield.com. I provide links in description. All you need to do is here become a tester and earn $10 per test. And you see here each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes take of your time. You do it from your home computer or smartphone. Okay, and what you have to do, just browse a website, browse an application, and just follow a set of tasks. That's it. What you're doing here, you actually helping companies of these of their websites, applications, software, whatever they need people to test them. So all you need to do when they choose you, go to your phone or desktop or tablet. All you need to do you is you're gonna press record, and this is gonna record what you are doing on your phone, desktop or tablet, and you're gonna speak your thoughts. So for example, they tell you you want to buy a wedding gift for your future wife, whatever example. Go to the store and just find something pretty, so you go on the website and you just browsing, and you notice that for example the prices there are not mentioned, they are only mentioned, there are not mentioned in euros, there are only mentioned in USD. So you comment, I am from this country, we don't have USD here, I don't understand the conversion. Just an example, okay, just an example I telling you. Or I don't see the color option here on the dresses, there are not color options for me to buy, or I cannot read the size words, or too small, there are too small words, so I cannot see things like that. Really stupid simple. You are not gonna be tested here. All you need to do is just speak your thoughts as you are visiting the that websites. That's all need from you. You need to speak that what kind of aspects of the website applications get improved, and this can be done with your help through your comments. That's it. Really simple. If you see here, 200,000, there are over 200,000 speaking over 40 languages. So trust me, wherever you are in this world, you can qualify for this. All you need to do is come to this page and read full FAQ. That you find this is the FAQ. Why does the usability tester do? And there are a lot of questions you need to know them. So simply click on here and you find the answer. How do I become a tester? To become a tester, you need to register and take the qualification test. Now what is the qualification test? Basically you're gonna record your screen. You just gonna show them that you can record in a quiet background, you can speak thoughts out. So it's actually for use it field to see if you can do this job, how best you can do this. Really simple. But of course you need to be in quiet area, no background noise, and all you need to speak your thoughts out loud. That's it. So go ahead, sign up, take the qualification test. You will pass this really easily, and depending on how you perform test, you get more or less tests. There is no set number of tests, depends from where you located and your results. The better you are, the most tests you get. And you can do this from anywhere around the world. They need testers from everywhere. Once you complete qualification test, you also need to add some basic information, your demographics. So make sure whatever you provide details must be correct, and you can also get tests in your languages that you are comfortable with. You can also select language English if you're really fluent in that. Now when you do pass qualification test, depending on how many tests they have already that passes that pauses of your project can take anywhere from 7 up to 15 days depending on how busy they are. So as soon as you get approved, check your members area, check your notifications when there are tests. You need to act fast and take the test before other members. So when you choose a test, you're gonna answer few questions of the see if you fit with demographics, and then you can proceed with the test. Now after you complete the test, they have to approved, of course, and if all this good, you're gonna get paid via PayPal or Pioneer approximately after 1 week after the test. So if you perform the test well, if your voice is clean and of everything recorded well, if your screen is recorded, then they can hear your voice, no background noise, and that's how you get paid. That's it guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive daily new interesting videos from my channel. And give me a small favor, share this video with your friends and hit on like button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.